tortilla pinwheels, and I'm gonna make them 3 ways. Okay, so I'm starting with the cream cheese mixture, and this is gonna go on all 3 tortillas. It's just a mixture of cream cheese and pesto. So then I have 3 different colors of tortilla. Look, isn't that fun?
Wow.
I'm gonna start with the spinach, and I'm gonna take probably 1/3 of the cream cheese mixture, which looks like a lot, and then I'm gonna spread it out until it totally covers the tortilla. And these get rolled up and sliced, so you just wanna make sure the cream cheese mixture goes to the very, very edge. Otherwise, you will wind up with lonely, sad, depressing end pieces that don't have any substance whatsoever, literally. Okay, and so this is gonna be a veggie version. So I've got sun-dried tomatoes, and I'm just gonna sprinkle everything over. Now I've got some artichoke hearts, and they're chopped really fine. And then my weakness, olives. And then some chopped spinach. You wanna roll them up and then just put them seam side down. Okay, second tortilla pinwheel is gonna be sort of a meaty variety. So on goes the cream cheese. Okay, so I got it on the plain tortilla, so now I've got a mixture of pepperoni, yum yum.
Is this a charcuterie wrap?
That's what this is, a charcuterie wrap.
Ding, ding, ding.
Salami. But you're getting the point here that you can basically open your fridge. I've got some prosciutto. This is kind of elevated here. Just whatever you have works in a tortilla pinwheel. Swiss cheese. Alex for the win, calling this a charcuterie tortilla wrap, tortilla pinwheel. Okay, so I'll wrap this up. And when you do roll it up, you want to tuck as you go. So then when you get to the point of slicing it, you don't have like big gaps in the center. Now, really the secret to these is making them ahead of time and then popping them in the fridge. So I'm doing a spicy version, and this is a jalapeno cheddar tortilla, which is kind of exciting. And then I just have these sweet mini peppers that you buy in the grocery store in bags, sliced thin, and some hot cherry peppers, and those go over. And then some arugula, which is sort of inherently spicy, and then pepper jack cheese, and then roll this up. Okay, so 3 kinds of tortilla pinwheels. Check it out, Paige.
So beautiful. I love the color.
Spicy, veggie, and just charcuterie. So, hold that thought. I'm gonna slice them up, but I've already got some that I made, and they're in the fridge.
Oh.
I actually made these yesterday, so the tortillas are just kind of soft and at one with all of the ingredients. Okay, things are about to get exciting. I'm gonna unwrap and slice all of these and then put them on the platter. Well, I ran out of platter space, but look at these, Paige.
That's beautiful.
Look how cute. It looks like a sushi board. Isn't that beautiful?
It's beautiful.
Which one should I eat?
That one.
The spicy one? Okay.
Yeah.
Mmm. Winner.